How to send high quality video in WhatsApp. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Vipin Basnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can send high quality video or HD video in WhatsApp after the latest update. Now, since the latest update, the feature to upload or to send high quality video had changed, unlike before where you had to do it from the settings. Now what you have to do is you want to simply open up your WhatsApp and you want to head into a chat that you want to send the video to, and here what you want to do is you want to select your video that you want to send. Now first what you can do is you want to tap on the pin icon at the message, and then you want to tap on gallery option, and then you can simply select the media that you wish to send. Now I'll just select a quick video here from all media here. I'll just select a quick video here. Now once you select the video, on the edit section here, as you can see on the screen, you can see the HD option at the top of the screen. You can see cross icon, and there at the top right corner you can see 4 different icons, and there you can see HD option as well. Simply tap on HD and it'll ask you the media quality. If your picture or your video is on HD, then it'll give you the HD quality. You can either set it on standard quality or simply select the HD quality option and then simply tap on send, and it'll be sent on HD quality. So this way you can send high quality video in WhatsApp. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.